Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends. Today we're diving into Samsung's brand new foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the all-new Flip 7 FE. We've got confirmed specs, design changes, and launch info, including what might be Samsung's most affordable foldable ever. Let's start with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's latest flagship foldable. And yes, it's thinner, lighter, and more powerful than ever. Design. Hinge has been redesigned for a flatter fold and thinner profile. Inner display. 7.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2x, 120Hz refresh rate. Cover screen. 6.4-inch AMOLED, brighter with thinner bezels. Water resistance. Improved IPX8 or possibly IP58, rumored. Fingerprint sensor. Still on the side, fast and reliable. On the back, Samsung's going big. We're getting a 200MP primary camera, likely the same sensor from the S24 Ultra. Expect top-tier results for photos and 8K video. Processor. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, or Elite Edition. RAM, storage. 12GB or 16GB RAM with up to 1TB storage. Software. Android 16 with One UI 8. Multitasking upgrades. Improved taskbar, flex mode support, drag and drop, and S Pen optimizations. Samsung is really focusing on pro features here, so this is definitely a productivity powerhouse. Now let's talk about something totally new. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, Samsung's first budget-friendly foldable. Design. Still the same clamshell design, with a smaller 3.4-inch cover screen. Display. 6.7-inch main AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate. Chipset. Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 or Exynos 2500, depending on region. Camera. Dual camera setup, likely 12 megapixels main plus ultra wide. Battery. Around 3700 mAh with 25W fast charging. No wireless charging to keep costs down. And here's the big one. Price is expected around $799 to $899. That makes it the most affordable Samsung foldable ever. Both models have reinforced armor aluminum frames and Gorilla Glass Victus on the outer panels. Samsung's also improved the hinge durability once again, now tested for over 400,000 folds. Z Fold 7 colors: Phantom Black, Titanium Silver, and Navy Blue. Flip 7 FE colors: Mint, Graphite, Cream, and Light Violet. Samsung Unpacked is happening on July 9, 2025 in New York City. Pre-orders start right after the event, and both phones should ship by the end of July. And yes, if you reserve early, you'll get $50 Samsung credit plus pre-order gifts like cases or earbuds. So, is the Z Fold 7 the ultimate productivity phone, and is the Flip 7 FE finally a foldable for everyone? Let me know in the comments, which one are you more excited for? If you're going all in on the Fold 7 or saving cash with the Flip FE. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the full hands-on after Unpacked. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.